Storage costs slashed by 90%. 17 billion records queried in just 59 milliseconds. Complex engineering calculations run directly inside the database. DolphinDB is cutting costs and boosting efficiency for nuclear energy research. At the forefront of heavy ion physics, a world-class research institute is pushing the boundaries of accelerator-based science, advancing some of the most ambitious and consequential energy research of our time. Faced with trillions of data points generated by particle accelerators, their legacy Apex archiving system hit a wall. Proprietary formats made parsing inefficient. Complex calculations require juggling multiple tools. Data lifecycle management was inflexible, and Salimba was costly. All of this was slowing critical research progress. The Institute turned to DolphinDB to rebuild its underlying data storage infrastructure from the ground up, leveraging an all-in-one architecture to unify the entire data governance pipeline. Trillion-scale data, millisecond queries, elastic scaling, complex engineering computation natively inside the database, automated data lifecycle management, all working together to handle the most demanding data challenges in modern science. DolphinDB, a high-performance time series platform for the IoT era, empowering mission-critical scientific research with the speed, scale, and precision that breakthroughs demand.